Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect Tradify to Tradovate. First, log in to the Tradovate platform using the username and password provided by Tradify. Once you are logged in, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the application settings icon. In the settings menu, navigate to the Add on Tools section. Here, locate the TradingView add-on and click Activate. Wait for the activation to finish before moving to the next step. Now open TradingView and sign into your account. After logging in, open any chart on the platform. At the top of the screen, click on the Trade button. A list of supported brokers and connections will appear. Use the search bar to search for Tradovate. When you see the Tradovate logo, click on it to begin the connection process. A login window will open and ask you to choose a connection type. If you are using a Tradify account, make sure you select Demo. This step is required for all Tradify accounts. After that, click on the Connect button. Next, enter the exact same username and password that you received from Tradify. Be sure to enter the credentials correctly to avoid connection issues. TradingView will now connect to your Tradovate account. Once the connection is successful, you will be able to access your account and trade directly from TradingView charts using your Tradovate connection. Thanks for watching.